Welcome to the Daily 10. Your quick, easy morning practice designed to be done the second you get out of bed. It's all about cultivating an abundant mindset, waking up the body and setting a positive tone for your day. In just 10 minutes you'll feel energized and centered, with each movement helping to open up your body, activate your muscles and create a sense of calm energy for whatever comes next. Sitting in a sirsasana, take a big inhale, extending the arms up overhead, and on your exhale, bringing your hands together at the heart center to Anjali Mudra. And again, inhaling and exhaling. One more time, inhaling, rising up expansively, and exhaling, moving the hands through the center line of the body. We're coming into an easy twist here. One hand on the knee, other hand behind. And set a little affirmation, little intention for your day as you twist. Exhaling into your twist. Deep breaths. Inhale, extend the arms out to the side. Exhale, twisting to the other side. And again, reinforcing that intention, that sankalpa for the day. Decide today is going to be a good day. An abundant, positive day. Inhaling prana. And exhaling deeper into your twist. Coming back to center, arms extended. Bring the hands onto the knees. One big inhale up overhead and exhale, forward fold. Bringing your chest towards the earth. And maybe coming down onto the elbows, depending on how you feel as you just woke up. So going as deep as your body will allow. And then coming into our Janu sirsasana, so extending out your right leg, bringing the sole of your left foot to your inner thigh. Inhale up overhead, exhale fold. So without overly rounding the back, just letting the hands land wherever is comfortable. It does not have to be the toes. Exhaling into the stretch. Focusing on your breath here. If the mind starts to wander and starts to project forward into your day, try to stay present. Let's come into the revolved version here. So getting a little bit into the side body. Focusing on the expansion of the rib cage and getting into those intercostal muscles here. Exhaling into your stretch. Let's come back to center, extending the arms out at shoulder height. And then changing sides. Repeating that same sequence to the other side. Foot rests at the inner thigh, the knee sinks towards the earth, inhaling, expansive, exhale forward. Remembering that the body does not need to be a mirror image from one side to the other. Notice how you feel, notice your breath. The mind wanders, bring yourself back to that abundant mindset, that positive tone for your day. You're creating energy. And use that energy to come deep into your revolved version of this pose. Stretching into the side body and feeling your breath expand as your ribs move. Stay here with the breath. exhale back up to center. Bringing the soles of the feet together now, interlacing your fingers around your feet. Letting your knees sink towards the earth as you forward fold into a Baddha Konasana or butterfly pose. So again, bearing in mind that you've just woken up, take it easy, lead with your heart. Chest towards the feet, no need to drag the head down. Stay with your breath, stay with that positive, abundant mindset. And once again, remind yourself of your intention for today. Bring those legs back in towards each other. Back into Sukhasana and give yourself a big hug here. And maybe there's some tension in the head, neck and shoulders that can be released during this hug. As you feel the warmth of your own embrace. Release and then take another hug, just swapping which arm is on top. Feeling free to take any other movements here if needed. Interlace the fingers together, just a gentle warm up for the wrists and hands, getting ready for the day ahead, working and driving and cooking and all of the things. And then bringing the arms into eagle arms, so wrapping them around each other. Inhale as you bring them up, exhale as you bring them down. Slow mindful breaths here as you bring the arms up and down in eagle arms. Just making a mental note of which arm is closest to you, so that you can swap it out now. Inhaling up, exhaling down. You can go faster or slower than me here. Calm energy. To release the arms, turn the palms up, a gesture of receptiveness. Remind yourself of your intention, and then release out the legs and coming into a staff pose, so an active seat, sitting nice and tall, the feet are flexed. Hands resting on the thighs. Smile and be grateful for your amazing body and the day ahead. Every day is a gift. To add some bend to the knees here as we forward fold. As much or as little bend as you might need this morning. Maybe working on straightening those legs without putting yourself under too much pressure. Staying with a mindful breath, a calm energy, an abundant mindset. Release. Come back to Sukhasana, taking a mudra, first finger and thumb, palms up, and take these last couple of breaths to fill the belly, the inhale, and scoop and hollow the belly on the exhale, or maybe sighing it out. Take some sighs through the mouth. Enjoying this last moment of calm before you begin your day. One last time, remind yourself of your intention for today. Have a wonderful day ahead. Namaste.